Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video on how to maintain your clutch. So, first you're going to want to take off the snap ring, the snap ring, I think that's what they're called. Either way, so I got my snap ring pliers. Just insert those into your holes and just spread apart, and there's your snap ring. Now your clutch should just slide off like that. Now I'm going to take a rag. I'm going to wipe the inside off. Get all that. Get all the wear and shavings and just everything out of there. Now what your goal is to oil this bronze bushing right here. Obviously you have your shoe here, but set that aside because that's not part of this. Okay, get some 30 weight oil. I'm using Pennzoil just because that's what I bought. Oh, okay. There we go. Stupid. I hate these things. Okay, get rid of that. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my finger, like that. Oh, right there. And just get it all up in there. And then that's it. And wipe off everything around it. And then what you're going to do is just let that soak into that bronze bushing for, I'm probably going to leave it there for an hour, but it's up to you. I'd let it soak in for at least 30 minutes. And then obviously, once that's soaked in, then you can go ahead and reassemble your clutch the same way you took it apart. Also, I recommend getting a set of these. These are, I think these were $15. They come with a bunch of different heads and stuff. But yeah, that's how you oil your clutch. Make sure, gotta get that bronze bushing and let it soak in there. So, thanks for watching this quick little clutch maintenance video. Make sure to subscribe, hit like. Also hit the notification bell for when I post next. I'm probably going to be posting a little more because I'm getting a GoPro for my birthday. My birthday is in a month, so once I get that GoPro, make sure to follow, subscribe, because there will be a lot of riding videos on my mini bike, and hopefully once this quarantine ends, I'll start filming videos on my Honda Z50 that I want to restore. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, post notifications, and yeah, thanks for watching.